You sleep 8 hours every night. Sometimes even more. You avoid caffeine after lunch. You don't use your phone in bed. You even try those relaxing sleep sounds on YouTube. And yet, every morning, you wake up tired. Your eyes sting, your body feels heavy, and your mind foggy. So what's going on? Why does sleep feel like it's not working anymore? Here's what most people don't realize. Sleep quantity is not the same as sleep quality. Just because you're lying in bed for 8 hours doesn't mean your brain is going through the deep, restorative phases of sleep. Let's break it down. Every night, your body goes through several sleep cycles. Each one has multiple stages: light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep, the dreaming stage. When your body doesn't complete these cycles properly, you don't recover. You don't repair tissue. You don't reset your brain. So what breaks the cycle? One big factor is blue light. When you scroll your phone, check emails, or watch TV late at night, your brain thinks it's still daytime. That delays the release of melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. Another common issue: blood sugar crashes. Let's say your last meal was heavy on sugar or refined carbs, maybe dessert, soda, or white bread. Your blood sugar spikes, then drops. That crash can wake you up in the middle of the night, even if you don't remember it. And if that keeps happening, your sleep stays shallow. You wake up groggy, and stay that way. So how do you fix it? Here's a science-backed 3-step routine to help you finally wake up refreshed. Step 1. Shut down all screens. Phone, tablet, TV, at least 1 hour before bed. Instead, use a small bedside lamp, stretch a little, or read a paper book. This gives your brain time to naturally release melatonin. Step 2. Have a light dinner. Skip desserts or processed snacks at night. If you're a late-night eater, try something simple like a boiled egg, a handful of almonds, or plain yogurt. Protein-rich snacks help balance your blood sugar overnight. Step 3. In the morning, get sunlight on your face as soon as you can. Open your curtains. Step outside. Natural light resets your circadian rhythm, boosts morning cortisol levels, and helps your body know when it's truly time to rest later. The result? Better sleep. Not longer, just better. Try this routine for 1 week. That's it. 7 days. You'll feel more alert in the morning, your mind will be clearer, and that heavy fog will finally lift. If this helped, hit subscribe. At 3 Minute Medi, we explain real health solutions in just 3 minutes or less.